There isn't a person amongst us who doesn't have insecurities. Some are just better at dealing with them or perhaps hiding them. In today's video, we will be sharing with you 6 tips and secrets to fix and overcome insecurities, so stay tuned. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Number 1. Identify your insecurities. The first step is all about awareness. You need to identify the types of insecurities you typically struggle with. Take a moment to ask yourself, what exactly do I tend to feel insecure about? And why am I feeling insecure about these things? This is all about peeling back the layers. The deeper you go, the better you will understand how you have come to develop these insecurities. Number 2. Practice being objective. On the surface, your insecurities are just opinions and perspectives you have made about yourself. When you think objectively, you throw doubt at the interpretations you have made, and open the door to new possibilities and perspectives. Number 3. Practice self-acceptance. Practicing self-acceptance means fully accepting yourself despite your flaws, imperfections, and limitations. Nobody is perfect, so instead of trying to hide those flaws, just accept how you are and embrace the person you have become. Number 4. Stop comparing yourself to others. One of the obstacles that will prevent you from overcoming your insecurities is that you constantly compare yourself to others. It isn't healthy, because everyone has their own unique set of experiences, skills, talents, abilities, and knowledge. Simply, their strengths may not be your strengths, likewise your strengths may not be their strengths. Number 5. Commit to consistently developing yourself. One of the most effective ways for overcoming insecurity is to commit yourself to becoming a lifelong learner. You will be able to develop your skills, grow your knowledge, and improve various aspects of your life. Number 6. Focus on the positive. It's easy to lose ourselves in negative thoughts, and simply ignore our personal successes and accomplishments. Try listing down all your positive qualities, attributes, and strengths that got you through challenging times. All what you wrote will come as a giant wave of confidence that pumps up your self-esteem and helps you to surmount all your insecurities.